If you're wondering, what is the August gemstone? You're not alone. Peridot is a gemstone commonly associated with August birthdays. Peridot is a vivid green-yellow that represents good fortune and is also given to celebrate a marriage's 16th year. For thousands of years, peridots have been shrouded in legend. Peridot was known as the jewel of the sun by the Egyptians, and some believed it could even protect people from dreams. Peridots are also associated with Hawaiian culture, as they are supposed to be the tears of Pele, the volcano goddess. Due to a high percentage of crushed olivine, the sand of the Big Island's Papakolea beach has an unusual and lovely green color. Peridot, sardonyx, and spinel are the birthstones for August. Surprisingly, while peridot is the most well-known stone associated with August and is often regarded as the traditional gem, sardonyx was the original birthstone. Peridot was introduced later and became the month's principal gem. With the addition of spinel in 2016, August became the third month to feature 3 birthstones, joining June and December. However, one could argue that peridot is just the most well-known of the 3, where it is regarded as a classic gem. Miners have to dig really deep to find peridot. It is usually buried deep under the igneous rocks, especially in areas where there have been volcanic eruptions. So if there has been a volcanic eruption near your place, you could possibly find peridot. There's no guarantee though. Peridot symbolizes love, truth, faithfulness and loyalty. The energies from the gemstone can also suppress ego and jealousy. Legends say that Napoleon gifted his wife, Josephine, a peridot jewel as a symbol of his love. Some historians believe that Cleopatra's famous emerald collection might actually have been peridot. People in medieval times continued to confuse peridot with emerald. For centuries, people believed the fabulous 200 court gems adorning the shrine of the 3 holy kings in Germany's Cologne Cathedral were emeralds. They are, in fact, peridots.